In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join tables in Power BI. We'll cover two reliable ways to connect your data, the Power BI relationship method and the merge method that feels a lot like Excel or SQL. By the end, you'll know when and how to use each without any confusion. Start by opening the Power BI desktop app on your computer, then open one of your existing reports so you can see your tables in the model. Let's begin with the Power BI way using relationships. Click the model view icon on the left sidebar. It looks like a diagram. You'll see your tables laid out visually. Find the two tables you want to connect, then drag the common field from one table onto the matching field in the other. This creates a relationship between them. For most reporting scenarios, set the cardinality to many to one, which means many rows in your fact table relate to one row in your lookup or dimension table. Set the cross-filter direction to single, so filters flow from the one side to the many side, keeping your model clean and performant. This setup lets you build visuals that pull fields from both tables without duplicating data. When you're done, click Save to keep your relationship changes. Now let's look at the merge approach, which is done in Power Query. On the Home tab, click Transform Data to open the query editor. In the left pane, select your main table, for example, Sales. On the Home ribbon, click Merge Queries. In the Merge dialog, your top table should be the Sales table you selected. For the bottom table, choose the table you want to join to Sales. In both table previews, click the matching columns that relate the two tables. Leave the join kind as left outer, which keeps all rows from your Sales table and brings in matching rows from the other table. Click OK to create the merge step. Back in the query preview, you'll see a new column that says Table. This column holds the related rows from the other table. Click the expand icon in its header, the one with two arrows pointing away from each other. Select only the specific columns you want to bring into Sales, then click OK. You've now flattened the data so those fields are part of your main table for reporting. As a tip, pick relationships when you want a clean Star Schema and flexible modeling, and use merges when you need a single consolidated table. Make sure your matching columns truly align in content and data type for accurate results. Thanks for watching.